How to speed up slow Windows 10 PC or laptop. So let's get started. Firstly, start with checking up for the latest updates. One of the best ways to get the most from your PC is to have the latest update for Windows 10 installed. To check for updates, open the Windows menu, then select Settings, tap on Update and Security, then tap on Windows Update. Check for updates. If updates are available, select Install Now and restart your PC and check to see if it runs better. Now, the other one is disable launching programs at startup. PC performance can take a toll when there are many programs and apps opened at the same time, and many installers will instruct Windows to run their programs as soon as you start up your PC, which slow down your system performance. To stop a program from launching at startup, right-click on the program you want to choose and click Disable. Lastly is Disk Cleanup. One of the built-in features that Windows 10 has is Disk Cleanup. It allows you to get rid of unused temporary files which build up on a PC, including image thumbnails, downloaded program files, and temporary internet files. Take this time to remove or other files or apps that are taking up extra memory or disk space. A good place to check for old and unused files to delete is your downloads folder. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.